Hey you guys, welcome back to the channel The Pseudo. So in the last week we have talked about various things of Java. What is Java, syntax, the features, what is package. If you haven't yet watched it, go and watch. Today we are going to shift towards the next part of Java, that is what is class. Class क्या है? Class is a collection of data member and member functions. So डेटा मेंबर क्या होते हैं और मेंबर फंक्शंस क्या होते हैं? If I tell you in a theoretical way, okay, so data member are the ones which tells in detail about the object. Suppose I have a girl, then she has long hairs, beautiful eyes, black eyes, and she's tall. So these are the data member which tell in detail about the object, and member functions which performs the operation on object. It's like she walks or she dances. Just a real life example. In the coding part you will understand. So this is what class. It's a collection of data member and member function. Next is the one of the interview question which is asked in Java. That is, which is your favorite package? Some people say my favorite package is Swing. Some say util package. So that's not the case. The default package which is in the Java, that is java.lang.system. Without this package, you can't run your Java programs. So you can say it's the heart of Java. And to run the Java programs also, you need a JDK. For that, this is the site where you can, according to your operating system, download the latest JDK. And for IDE, you can use normal Notepad, Notepad++, or whichever you have. I will mention this link in the description. Next, moving on, today we are going to start with the first program of Java, that is Hello World. So, we are on the IDE. So we have a class, let's say enjoy, public static void main string array of args. So इसका मीनिंग मैंने लास्ट लेक्चर में बताया है, मस्ट वॉच दैट वीडियो. सो system.out.println, तो इससे हम प्रिंट करने वाले हैं क्या? हेलो लर्नर्स. So let's go to the command prompts. So firstly we will compile it by using the command javac, and we have a program name, and my program name is enjoy dot with the extension I have saved, that is Java. Compiled successfully. Now let's run it. For running in the CMD we use Java command. Then we write the class name. My class name is enjoy. So what it says, hello learners. So it might happen कि आपके यहाँ पे नहीं चले, मतलब आप समझेंगे कि JDK इंस्टॉल होने के बाद भी यहाँ पे मेरा रन नहीं हो रहा है. For that you just need to set the environmental path. Let me just give you a quick tutorial about that. Just click on this environment, go to path, go to edit, and here you can see I have set the path of that. Okay, so in this way you can use it, and why we are setting this path we will discuss in our next videos. Till then, keep learning, and also do follow us on Instagram where we upload daily new programs, and we hope you're solving these programs. Otherwise in the next upcoming videos we will solve these, but keep checking these all and solve on your own also if you have any for earlier knowledge of Java. So